What's going on, everybody? We have the MoKo case right here. We are going to go over it real quick. All right, and here we go. Take this out. We don't need that no more. Plastic right here. It has the holes right here for the audio. Very nice. Got your camera cut out right there. Got holes up here for the top. We're going to put our iPad in. And it goes right on in, you guys, and it magnetically closes. And with this case, you can actually put this in different angles. So you can have it up like that, or you can have it like this. All right. So you can actually lay it down and have it in an angle. Logo right there. It allows your access to charge, turn off and on. This case is for 11th and 10th generation iPads. A16, just in case you want to see how it sticks on, is magnetic like that. So you're not worried about this flopping around, trying to keep it up and stuff like that. Because back in the day, it wasn't magnetic. It was just you trying to keep it up. But this one is magnetic. And it has auto wake and sleep. So if you have it open, it comes on. And when you close it, it goes off. That's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. And I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next product review.